Greetings everyone, my name is Fundo Masego. I was under the Yes Youth Program sponsored by NetBank Foundation. I'll be showing you guys my business, which is poultry farming. I have broilers and layers, which I'll be showcasing you guys today. Come on, let's take a look. Right here I have 200 broilers that I just have fed. Sorry about the lights, I'm currently having load shedding, but then at the moment the temperature is hot, so it's not giving me much problem because I do have natural lights. As you can see, I have tents right here that I do pick up and also lay down. Now I'll be showing you guys my layers. This is my tent where I put in the water. And then the water comes in through this pipe, then it enters into the water injectors for the water for the chicks to drink. Then currently, as you can see, this is feed. We're feeding these babies 24/7. Yeah, so this is 40 layers that I'm currently having. We have ventilation, natural ventilation.